Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial accessory for anyone flying the popular DJI Tello drone, a renewed DJI Tello battery. This specific model is the CP.PT.00000213.01, an official DJI accessory, but this one comes in a renewed condition. For Tello pilots, having just one battery is often not enough. The Tello is a fantastic little drone for learning and indoor flying, but its flight time on a single charge is relatively short. That's where an extra battery, or two, becomes absolutely essential to maximize your flying fun without constant interruptions for recharging. This battery is a lithium polymer cell operating at 3.8 volts. It's designed specifically for the Tello, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. The unit count here is one battery, and it comes in the standard black color. The fact that it's a genuine DJI product is a big plus. While third-party batteries exist, using an official battery from the manufacturer often provides peace of mind regarding safety, charging compatibility, and consistent performance. You know it's built to the specifications required by the drone. Now let's talk about the renewed aspect. Buying renewed can be a great way to save some money compared to purchasing brand new. For a battery, renewed typically means it's been inspected, tested, and verified to be in full working condition, meeting the original manufacturer specifications for capacity and performance, or at least a very high percentage of it. It might have been a return, or perhaps had a minor cosmetic issue, but the critical components, especially the battery cells themselves, are certified to function correctly. When considering a renewed battery, it's always wise to purchase from a reputable source to ensure the quality of the renewal process. An official renewed product from DJI or an authorized seller gives more confidence. Having this extra battery means you can double your flight time instantly. You can have one battery charging while you're flying with the other, creating a continuous cycle of flying and charging that significantly enhances the Tello experience. Instead of getting just 10 to 13 minutes of flight before needing to land and wait, you can swap in a fresh battery and be back in the air in seconds. This is particularly useful if you're out flying away from a power source or if you're trying to capture specific shots and need multiple attempts. The convenience factor alone makes an extra battery a worthwhile investment for any Tello owner. It's a small, lightweight accessory, easy to carry in your drone bag or even your pocket. For anyone serious about getting the most out of their DJI Tello, this renewed official battery offers a potentially cost-effective way to keep the propeller spinning longer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.